feel the need for speed.
To lead.
Speed to lead. What is speed to lead, Ryan?
That means when you've got a buyer who wants information on your property, you have to be speedy. You've got to get them that information, get them on the phone and book an appointment with them to get them inside your property to come and take a look. Having that speed to lead, that urgency to push buyers into your property as fast as possible, it really does make a big difference to how quick you can sell the property.
Buyers love urgency. If you give a buyer more time, that's more time away from your home. That gives another agent a chance to grab hold of that buyer and pull them into one of their listings instead of yours.
So for anybody that wants to sell their property, speed to lead is tremendously important.
Like this video, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next week on
Sell It Proper. And
No, cheer up.
All right, she's ready.
You ready for it?
The need for speed. The need for speed.
To lead.
And now look at you like.
To lead.
All right, ready?
Hiya! That was so stupid.